welcome back. Since the other video of me unboxing something did so well, and none of the others are, I'm going to be unboxing a new Glidebait that I got from Carl's Bait and Tackle. And I'm really excited about this because I'm going to be trying to use this quite a lot, because basically the more you use a big Glidebait like this, the more your chances are that you can catch a giant fish. You're not going to catch hardly any fish at all, but when you do, it's going to be a good one. The reason I got this one in specific is because I've had a couple that I've already caught on this one, as I spoke about in a previous video. And I was watching a video where Grant Langmore, who is like the swim bait kid, everybody knows him as being, he uses big swim baits all the time, and he's caught tons of huge fish, and he said what he uses in small like ponds and stuff is not something that looks like a shad, because usually there's not shad in a pond. He uses a bluegill Glidebait. So here I am opening up the one that I ordered, and I'll just give my first impressions on it. And here we have the Jackall Gantarelle Jr. This is the smaller version of the bait. There is a larger version, but this is about the size that I want for bluegill in my pond. Oh, they really secured this thing in here. I'm gonna give you a close up there. Looks very, very nice. And if you're looking to get into glide baits, this is one of the more affordable ones that I've found. I'll definitely have to, I'm gonna be using this a lot, so you'll be seeing more of this, but this is just my initial impression of it and unboxing. I think it looks really good. I don't see why anything wouldn't eat this. It looks amazing. It looks just like a bluegill. So if you want to see me use this in the future quite a bit, probably catch some pretty big bass on it, go ahead and subscribe, and thank you for watching me unbox this. Has some interesting sound to it, and just amazing color. Now, I'm not sure the purpose of the feathers on the hooks, but definitely makes it look very cool. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.